Grand awakening, Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. Book a massage with me. Check out the NFTs, the ebooks, the music. Great products are there, and I can't wait to meet you. Your word of the day is action. It's time to move, Capricorn. You have been moving and shaking, building foundations, creating. Now it's time to continue to move forward. You have no time to delay. It's time to spring into action, positive action. Lay those bricks down. Continue to build because I need you and the rest of the world needs you. And we're very gracious for what you're bringing into this new season. Do not stop. Keep on working, baby. My divine action incites love and harmony. I'm aware of my thoughts and driven by positive forces. I listen to my heart. My desire to manifest life transforms tests into growth, challenge into opportunity, and fear into love. Because when you've challenged all these things, when you meet a test and you turn into opportunity, a challenge only makes you stronger and makes you wiser. When you're stronger and wiser, therefore, you can manifest and actually maintain the blessings that you're asking spirit for. If you don't put in the work, energy blessings come with their own weight, just like negative energy. So if you're not strong enough to carry the blessing, you'll drop it. Make sure you put in the work so that blessing feels like a feather, not like a ball and chain. So rain, sleet, or snow, you can maintain that blessing and make sure that you can ask for the next and channel in the new thing, guys. Make sure that you're doing the right things. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. Love you too. And step up.